In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install HP LaserJet 3015 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to copy the link that is being provided at the YouTube description. Once you have copied that, please open your Google Chrome and at the address bar, make a right click, click on paste and click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until you'd be navigated on this page where you can download this printer driver. Once you are here, please proceed to choose a different OS. Click on this down arrow key and please change that into Windows 11 and click on Update to continue. Once done, you need to scroll down here, proceed to Driver Universal Print Driver, click on it, and in this two result, choose the first one and click on Download so that you can start the downloading process. Once done, navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon to check the progress and wait until this would be done. And once you have done it, click on this folder icon to show it in folder. Now from here, you need to select it and while selecting it, make a right click and then you need to click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then you need to click on paste. So once you have pasted the zip file here, you need to extract it. By that, make a right click, go with extract all, or either use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. In a few moments, you would be able to create a new file folder which contains the drivers. This would mean that we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And at the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for an option which is called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed to an option which is called printers and scanners. And you'll see this option called add device. Click on it and wait until you can add another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and then you need to wait until you can open another window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, select for it. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and select any of these three USB port. And if you have an HP port here under the list of choices, you can select that as well. Click on next. Click on have disk and click on browse. Now from here, proceed to the desktop. And at the desktop, you need to scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tap, select any of this here and click on open and click on OK. Once done, you need to select the second and click on next and click on next and please rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting HP LaserJet or LG in short 3015. Once done, click on next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, please click on next. Click on finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet 3015 printer driver in your Windows 11. Okay? If you think this video had helped you a lot, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.